I'm Donna Chang. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my third video. My first one was about makeup. My second one was about unboxing some things that I spoiled myself with. But this time around, I'm super excited to be unboxing my latest gadget. It's my Google Pixel 3 XL, the not pink color for the feminine in me. So how I got this is a colleague of mine won a contest and he had the best photo because he's super creative and artistic, and he won the Pixel 3 XL, but he doesn't like the bigger phone and I do. Once you go big, it's hard to go back, you know? So I love the bigger size phone. I used to have an iPhone, and when I started upgrading to the Pixel, I decided to go with the larger size and got so used to it that now when I hold a smaller phone, it just doesn't feel right. It feels tiny. So this is the new Pixel 3 XL, and it's quite similar in size to the old Pixel. This is the Pixel XL 2 or Pixel 2 XL. The new one comes in black and white like it did before, and now it also comes in this not pink color, which is pretty pink to me. I love it. It also has a bit of a, I think similar to before, has glass on the top. It's still a single lens camera. Why I love the Pixel so much and why I highly recommend that everyone get a Pixel is because their camera is amazing. It's a single lens, yet it has all this machine learning that makes you an instant professional photographer. Like ever since I switched to the Pixel, my Instagram game has gone wild. I take lots of photos of food, lots of selfies, and the new camera actually can take group selfies now. So it doesn't just recognize one face, it'll recognize all the faces in the photo and take a great shot of you. I remember taking a group selfie, well, just a selfie of me and my husband, and it would like blur out his face, recognizing only my face in the photo. So the group selfies are super exciting, and they also have this new way of taking photos where it takes action shots and it will actually select that one action shot that is the best from all this machine learning. So it'll take a bunch of burst photos because we tend to do that anyways, and then it'll select that one that I think looks the best. So I just turned it on. The difference with the new Pixel 3 XL is this huge notch up here. A lot of people have been criticizing that notch. However, I don't know, it doesn't really bother me. I can still see the entire screen. It's still very large in size, so it doesn't bother me. Couldn't really see the top anyways before. Yeah, I don't know, what do you guys think? I know it's hard to see here, but I'm super excited to use the camera. I think it's supposed to be super fast as well compared to the old phone. I wanted to kind of also show you what's inside the box. Like the old Pixel, you have to use an adapter to plug in headphones if you don't have wireless ones. And this time around, the phone actually comes with a set of headphones, which is exciting. So look at that. It comes with, I guess they just call them Google headphones. So that's great that it comes with a set of headphones, because the last one, the Pixel 2 XL, did not come with headphones. And obviously it comes with a supercharger as well. But the other thing that's new this year is Google came out with a Pixel stand. If you pre-ordered the Pixel on the Google store, the stand actually came as a bonus. Look at that. It's a wireless supercharger where you can now slap the phone right on and have it sit there and charge. Super cool, eh? And in anticipating my brand new phone, I ordered myself a case as well. Google makes these beautiful cases called Google My Case. You're like, Donna's drinking all the Google Kool-Aid. Yes, I am. And if you work for Google, you would too. But honestly, we have the choice to have an iPhone as well. And I just choose the Pixel because of the camera. And hey, Google pays my bills, so I have to support them. No, honestly, even if I didn't work at Google, I would still choose the Pixel, just purely for the camera itself. So look at my new case. I know it's odd that I actually personally selected the not pink color, yet I'm going to be covering it so you don't even know what color is underneath it with a pink cover. It's always good to protect your phone, especially when it's not a cheap phone. So that's it, guys. I really wanted to showcase my new toy, and stay tuned and watch me on Instagram. My handle is life_with_Donna. That's where all my Pixel photos live, or at least my best ones. I do snap a lot of photos, and the awesome thing with Pixel is that you automatically get unlimited storage in Google Cloud with their Google Photos app. So I take lots of photos, and I put all my best ones on Instagram. So follow me there and continue to stay tuned for some more YouTube videos. If you have any ideas of what you want me to talk about, because I really can talk about anything, let me know. Put some comments down there, and make sure you subscribe. I need more than that 1 or 2. Thank you to Bobby and some other friends that have subscribed, but continue to watch. I also have this green screen. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna edit it out, but if I do somehow figure it out, you will see something cool in the background. And my mic is still here, not functionally set up, but looks good, right? Thanks for coming, guys, and hope to see you again. Bye.